Hey YouTube, what's up? Welcome back to another episode of Jazzy Time with your host, Bailey. How's it going, everybody? I thought I would sit here and vlog while I am depotting, like half empties into like new pots and stuff. And kind of give you guys a little bit of an update. Please stop touching. No, I'm using these. Thank you. Well done. Anyways, yeah, I was gonna give you guys a little update about, what's up, what's going on. So today is September 18th, and I will be posting this on today. I will be posting this on today. Yeah. Just wanted to kind of tell you guys, what I've entered, what's going to be going on. This year, so this is my second competition this year. I've done the brave, and I've entered all categories. I didn't think I was going to be in all of them, but one of my good nail tech friends from Saskatoon just kind of messaged me. She's like, hey, why aren't we doing tag team? So I was like, yeah, sure, let's do that. So I'll tell you guys what the categories and the themes are and what I'm leveled at. Because like the one 8 months I've been working on all my pieces and stuff, and I really want to share it with you guys, but we're not allowed to share anything on social media or videos or anything, or because we can get disqualified before it's judged. So I haven't been able to share anything, and I'm like chomping at the bit here. So this year, the overall theme, don't mind Vinny, he's just playing. The overall theme is the Brothers Grimm. So, yeah, take that into your brain there. Each category has its own sub-theme, but everything is based on the Brothers Grimm except for the People's Choice. So People's Choice is like a poster, and then like everybody, like the judges don't judge it, I don't think. It's everybody else kind of votes for it. So yeah, so anyway, I'll go down the line. So I am for hand-ins. So I have entered Novice Fantasy, and that one is a Brothers Grimm Rapunzel. That one I can't wait to show you guys. Also, I have entered the hand-painted, and the hand-painted I'm considered a veteran because I placed in that last year. And that one is the Brothers Grimm Hansel and Gretel. That was fun. I just can't wait to show you guys stuff. So I'm just trying to get this like off my chest because I'm so anxiety ridden. Like I'm excited, I'm nervous, I'm everything. Next one, 3D. So I also placed in that one last year, so I am also a veteran in that. And that one is Brothers Grimm Rumpelstiltskin. That one was pretty hard to interpret in my own, but I did it. So, like I said, I can't wait to show you guys. What else? I did, it's called nail photographic. So like you do the nails and have it like professionally photographed, and then yeah, and then you send it in and they print it in an 8x10, and yeah. So there's that. And then I also did like the People's Choice. That one is the only one that's not Brothers Grimm. I think I just said that. And the category for that is Masquerade. And I tell you guys, I am so freaking proud of myself with what I came up with for this set. I did a full 10 nails, and I think I blew myself away. Like, I don't think I've ever been so proud to have put something on nails for a competition. Like, I feel it here. It's gonna be good. I keep my fingers crossed. So that's that for like hand-in stuff. Stuff that's there that like I'll be vlogging a little bit of that, and I'll have like a big vlog compilation in a couple of days posted up for you guys. The first one of the day is Artsy Extreme, which is 2-inch or longer extreme nail shapes. That's the one that makes me nervous. I've never done them before. I've practiced on myself. My nails have gone through the ringer. Look at all these different shapes and sizes and weird stuff going on. This one was like out to here because I was practicing. So I have that. And then after that, there's Salon Success, which is French tips across one hand and one red finger. And then after that is Glamour. And Glamour is, they give you a mystery box of like stuff. They give you a mystery box and you have to basically do with what you have in this box and make 3 nails pretty, right? And then we have the one I'm most excited and most nervous for, because I feel like, I don't know if it's just like a self-anxiety thing, but you always feel like you're not as good as the next person. And I feel like I would mess my partner up, but it's a step out of your comfort zone kind of thing. So my friend Melody Wolf, her and I are going to be tag team partners, and that is 2 techs, 1 model. So it's like a wrestling match, right? Every 5 minutes the buzzer goes off and we switch places. So she'll start or I'll start, and then the buzzer will go off and we switch and then continue working and switch every 5 minutes until the nails are done. And I'm like, but fingers crossed. So that's all that, and all of that is in a whole day. Oh no! Yeah, so all of that is in a whole day, plus shopping and vendors, plus the mixer, plus awards. It's all in one day. I feel like it's just gonna be, but yeah, I just wanted to share that and tell you guys what's going on. And yes, what else can I tell you? I don't know, I'll be vlogging while I'm there. I'll show you guys, like, you know, where we're staying. We'll vlog a little bit of our practice, like our tag team practice. I'll shoot a little bit of the convention and all that fun jazz, so you guys can see what's going on. And then if I place or anything like that, I'll obviously do a goodie haul or whatever. And note, I'm not in it 100% to place. I'm in it because I love a good challenge and I love nails. So I cannot wait to share. You're just having a good old time, aren't you? He's stacking up gel pots and knocking them over. Because I have to pack. So my salon's closed. I have to pack all my stuff and make sure that I have everything double, triple, quadruple check. Yeah. What was I saying? Yeah, I can't wait to show you guys what's going on and all that fun stuff. Sorry, this was a little bit of a boring, annoying, loud crash bang boom video. But yeah, so I have to grab stuff and pack up my little pink caboodles, and yeah. So I'll see you guys in the vlog and all that fun stuff, and there will be some more art stuff down the road. I've just been very stressed. I've been very stressed and had to kind of step away, and now I'm ready to be back in front of the camera because, you know, we all go a little mad here sometimes. Boom! So yes, anywho's, click, comment, like up this video, subscribe. It helps my channel grow. Share it with your friends. If you guys have any suggestions of art or anything that you want to see, any products you would like me to try out, please leave them down below in the comment section. Follow me on Instagram at bc_jazzy_time. If you want to follow me on Twitter at Nailsby. Anywho's, I'm gonna get to packing because here comes me, Saskatoon. I'm coming for you. Anywho, hope you guys all stay tuned and stay jazzy.